God says, I value the foreigner. I value the widow. I value the fatherless. These are the people that are vulnerable in society. And I want us as the people of God to shine like a beacon of light and to love those who would come in. And so Boaz sees this and he knows this. But I love that verse 22 where he says, do this because you once were a slave in Egypt. See, every single one of us was a slave at one point in our lives. Especially as New Testament believers, Jesus Christ has set you and me free from the bondage of our sin, from slavery. And so how could we not go and look to rescue and look to offer opportunity and provision and protection and dignity to those around us who don't have some of the privileges that maybe we grew up with or the resources that we've grown up with. And I'm looking around in this room and there's many faces I know, and I know that many of you are doing this in your own lives and you're doing this in your own communities. You're not just trying to check a box, but you're really trying to live with the heart of God for those who are struggling. This wasn't Boaz's idea. This was God's idea, but props to Boaz for walking according to God's word. Again, we talked about last week, Ruth was not called that we see. Boaz is not called. He's just obedient. He's just obedient. This was God's idea from the beginning. God's heart has always been about the poor, the outcast, the forgotten.